guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. We are on a brand new Harris 250 Sunliner. This boat is a center walk-through dual helm, so it's got 4 couches and 2 captain's chairs. Great recessed storage over here. So you got your cup holders. You've also got a great cubby to put your phone in or any other little articles you want to put in there. Just like with all of our Sunliners, it's got the drop-down hinge that drops the cushion down low, making it easy to get in and out of your storage compartment. Drain trough that goes all the way around the seat base, rather than just across the front or just across the back, allowing any water to drain out the back of the furniture. We do have in-floor storage. It's going to be a full-length tri-toon. Your ski locker is going to be closed off from that center pontoon log. As we come to the helm, Simrad, we use Simrad on all of our Harrises. Same unit goes on every single Harris that we have. Sunliner does have a JL Audio head unit with Fusion speakers. This is a Bluetooth stereo, USB ports, well-appointed dash, easy to see everything, power-assisted hydraulic steering, so easy to turn that 225 that's on the back. Digital throttle and shift, so this is fly-by-wire, no more push-pull cable on this boat. Put it where you want, set your speed, and you're cruising across the lake enjoying your evening. So this is a dual helm seat boat. 2 nice long couches in the back. We do have a 4-step stainless steel ladder to get out of the water. 225 horsepower Mercury on the back. The boat's really nice to put a lot of people on, cruise around the lake, do a little tubing, do a little skiing. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 972-436-9979, or you can visit us on our website at marinemax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you.